Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today as you can see we have some technical glitches, which is why I'm not wearing the chef coat. Since we shoot at 5 in the morning, there's nothing you can do about it, and for the next couple of episodes you will see me wearing this. Moving on from that, let's not let the attire not take away from the easy recipes that we have planned for you. So let's just get started. So in today's recipe I'm going to be making tomato chutney the Indian way. What I need for that is I have taken blanched tomatoes, but you can take raw tomatoes. Just cut them into fours. So now I'm just going to add all these tomatoes in the blender. Like I said, these tomatoes are all blanched, but you can just use raw tomatoes. You don't really need blanched tomatoes. Okay, in goes some jeera. 1 teaspoon of jeera. Then I'm going to add in some chopped garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger. Now in this I'm going to add some chopped green chilies. So I have chopped 3 green chilies, but that's because I like spicy food. Chilies, please put according to your own personal preference. Chili and salt is what you should do according to personal preference, because some people like to eat a lot of salt, while some people like me don't like too much salt in the. That being done, now the final ingredient, which is salt. Okay. Goes on top and we are ready. So guys, this is done. I'm just going to put this in a bowl. It's nice and chunky. Oh my god, this looks really good. So what this needs now is the final ingredient, lemon juice. So guys, you can eat this with idlis, dosas, sandwiches. You can just about eat this with your regular Indian meal, with your chapatis, your sabjis. It's great to go with anything. So make this at home, because I have to go and drink some water because it's really spicy. Try this at home, maybe put some less spice for you. I like it, so I can tolerate this heat. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and stick around for more fun chutney recipes coming your way. Take care y'all. See you in another episode. Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome to Desi Bites. Today's recipe is very interesting and it's very easy. It is roasted potatoes with bacon. So now some oil in the pan. So now we're going to fry some bacon. The bacon has become crispy. We're going to take it off the flame. Baby potatoes baked at 150 degrees for 30 minutes. In the bacon fat, you will add chopped garlic. Once the garlic has toasted brown, so now we have added tomato puree. We're going to let the tomato puree and the garlic cook for a bit. And In this we will add salt, some pepper, and some fresh parsley. Mix this all together, and once that is done, I'm going to add in the baby potatoes, the bacon, and give it a good stir. And done. Now on this, we're going to add our final ingredient, Parmesan cheese. Add on top just some fresh parsley. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I have a feeling that you will try this at home because it is so easy and so delicious. So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you in another episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you all are going to take care. Bye. Hello everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a Lynchburg lemonade cocktail. First, what we'll do is get in some ice in the cocktail shaker. Now, for this, I need Jack Daniels. So I'll take 30 ml Jack Daniels in my cocktail mixer. Then I need orange liqueur or triple sec. Another, measure that, little less than 30. Lemon wheels inside, important. And then you need a sweet and sour mix. So if you don't have that mixture, since if you want to make it at home, just put in some lime juice, lime concentrate, and some sugar syrup. And the last thing that you need in this is some soda. Since we've added soda in the cocktail, don't make the mistake of shaking it. Just muddle it all together. You don't want this exploding all over you. And muddle it well. And we will serve it in this glass. I'm just going to rub sides with a little bit of lime because you want that zest. And your cocktail is ready. Lynchburg lemonade. Muddle it well and give it a sip. Thank you so much for watching. Do try this at home and keep watching Desi Bites for more fun videos and easy recipes coming your way. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, take care y'all.